Well, hello all. Let's suppose you've been under lockdown for a very long time, your hair is looking like this, and you feel that you need a haircut. How do you give yourself a haircut? Let's just show you. It's getting pretty long everywhere. So how do we give ourselves a haircut? Well, you're going to need one of these hair clippers. You're going to need a brush, and I say you're going to need a hat. So the first thing that I do is I put the hat on, pull it as far back as possible, take the clipper, switch it on, and then just to get the fluff off the back, pull it as far down as possible. Just go for it. So start there and move it all the way down. So that's almost like you've taken a pot, put it over your hair. Now you're looking in a mirror, you get all this stuff, you see all this stuff that sticks out. Well, what you're going to do is you're going to look for your sideburn. Now you've got to be careful because in the mirror everything looks reversed. Let's get the sideburn clean, and then let's take all the stuff off over the ear. Anything that sticks out, anything that's on top. Now it takes a bit of practice because everything is reversed in the mirror. So you've got to keep an equal distance away and get all the hair. Okay, do you see some has come off the ear? So you keep on, now you brush it out like that, then more comes over the ear, then you take it off. Now I can see some at the back here. Sweep it forward and then just cut it off. But be careful that you don't go too close, or, as I say, it takes a bit of practice. You really got to practice. Okay, then you sweep it some more over. See, anything that comes over the ear has got to come off. As I say, it's confusing because looking in the mirror, everything seems reversed. So I just sweep anything that I can see. So sweep it forward, and then if it sticks out, there we go. Same on the other side. So let's move the mirror so that we can see the other side. Oh, there's a lot sticking out there. Get the sideburns the same length on both sides. Anything that goes over the ear has got to come off. Get it to stick up as much as possible. The whole thing is just to make sure that you don't push your hair clipper into your head, especially, as I say, the temptation working in a mirror. Now, anything that sticks out at the back, sweep it forward, and then just try and so. Now we've got all that done. The sides are done. You sweep it all forward, and then you just cut this off at a certain distance. So I'm just cutting it all off. Anything that's too long. Same on this side. And there, we're just about done. So the hair is improved. We can't do anything about the rest. Let's look around.